Hello everyone, it has been a little while, long while actually. There's some water drops right here because I'm trying to tame down my wild hair. It's been quite a long day. My hair's been yeah, that's basically been the gist of the day with my hair. Plenty of volume. Anyways, that's not what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about the goatee with stubble on the sides. We're going to use the 1mm guard and my zero blade. No gaps this time. I feel like this might be longer than one. I get confused with this trimmer, honestly. It says 1mm, it looks a little longer. It could be 1mm, who knows. Anyways, let's get to the video. So I'm going to use like my thumb as a guideline right here with the mustache where it ends. Try to line it up as close as possible. Oh, before we go, my goatee area is probably around 15-16mm at this point. Last week, I'm filming this today on Thursday. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded. Last week I trimmed it on a Monday, and I believe they use a 12mm guard, so yeah. Alright, so this is where we're at. Gonna try to go over it and then maybe try to line things up a little straighter. I gotta look in the mirror. I'm just looking at my cell phone right now. Mirror's over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over, try to keep it as straight line as possible right here. And I try not to go too high right here on the neck. Okay, we are done, and dude, this is no way this is 1mm, dude. This feels like it's 3mm at least, man. I don't know, but this, I mean, it worked out better because I think this length on the side looks a little better. There's no way I'd just go with like a clean shaven goatee. Not for me yet. Maybe when I'm a little older, but right now I'm just not my style. I actually do enjoy this a lot better than I thought I would. Yeah, maybe it's not perfect. Maybe I'll trim down a little more. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. Maybe I might. I probably will. Maybe just a slight trim and we'll see what happens. But this is the video. It's good to be back. I don't know how often. I can't guarantee how often I'm gonna post. It's just nice to be back on here and do this. I touch my face a lot in videos. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hopefully I see you guys sooner than later, and take care.